Natural solutions of climate change from Global South. Global South, the nations of the world which are regarded as having a relatively low level of economic and industrial development and are typically located to the south of more industrialized nations. The nations of Global South are Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Marilyn Sanchez on October 6, 2023 stated that the Global South has rich natural resources that have sustained communities for generations. However, these resources are now being threatened by the climate crisis, biodiversity loss, and many other factors. According to the latest report from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, means IPCC, extreme weather is taking a heavy toll on vulnerable population, especially in Africa, where 65% of productive land has been degraded and 45% has turned into desert due to poor land practices and climate change. Meanwhile, a separate UN report warned that there is a growing need for adaptation, but climate finance has not kept up. This places immense strain on rural communities, particularly those who depend on wild products or open grazing for their livelihoods, and compounds the challenges faced by women seeking access to land and resources. Nevertheless, there, there is hope in a locally led, nature based solution that empower communities, restore landscapes, create jobs, secure livelihoods, and strengthen food system. What are climate solutions? Climate solutions are action and strategies aimed at mitigating and adapting to the climate crisis. These solutions are designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, limit global heating, and minimizing the adverse effects of climate change on ecosystem, economies, and communities. Climate solutions promote sustainable development by nurturing healthy ecosystem and benefiting communities. They offer a comprehensive and sustainable path forward for our planet. Here, there are 6 climate solutions now being implemented across Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Number 1, agroecology and ecosystem based adaptation. Agroecology is an ecological approach to agriculture that integrates and supports natural processes, emphasizing the interconnectedness of food system. It aims to transform agricultural practices from the agro ecosystem to the entire food system. Ecosystem based adaptation, means EBA, using natural ecosystem services to enhance resilience and sustainability. It shares common principles with agroecology and seeks to strengthen ecosystem services for sustainable livelihoods and overall well-being. This report by the German Agency for International Cooperation, means GIZ, calls on the agriculture and climate communities to develop climate resilient and sustainable food systems. It showcases the implementation and lessons learned by the EBA, ecosystem based adaptation approach in three countries, India, Kenya, and Guatemala. By recognizing the synergy between agroecology and ecosystem based adaptation, we can work towards a more resilient and secure future for global food system. Second, compensating farmers for ecosystem services. Payment for ecosystem services is a system whereby the beneficiaries or users of an ecosystem services pay providers for that services. This typically involves a series of payments in exchange for ongoing benefits. The core concept is that service providers should be compensated for their contribution. This policy brief presents the work of the compensation initiative, which aims to drive innovation in PES, means payment for ecosystem services, on a large scale in low and middle income countries such as Mexico, Uganda, and Kenya to benefit smallholder farmers. These farmers, who produce a significant portion of the world's food supply, often earn meager incomes. The initiative seeks to increase and diversify the incomes of smallholder farmers and support their long term investments. It also aims to incentivize sustainable farming practices that enhance food system resilience and reduce emissions while delivering various ecosystem. Please subscribe, like, and comment and share this and do favor. Thanks.